Now, here I am at ground level, post-workout. I love my band. I'm going to do some hip traction. I've shown this before. I have it secured to my power rack. I'm going to take the band, I'm going to loop it, and then turn it around, and then slide my foot in. I'm going to put the knot on the inside of my foot, and then I'm going to work my way back, doing a little bit of traction, and hold it here in the supine position. Breathe, relax. Normally I'd lower my head down, like such. I can bounce a little bit. I can be completely quiet. I can rotate a little bit. But the key is to get into your rhythm. I like a little bounce and a little bit of rotation. And I like to sync it to my breathing. So of course I wouldn't be talking. Then I can lie on my side and do it this way so I get the traction from this position. And just relax. Again, I prefer a little bounce. Let the band do the tractioning. I will put it on. Now the other side, so you can see the knot. Here we go. So it looks like this, okay? So now I can completely relax. And here we go, just completely relax. Not trying to pull my hip out of my socket. I want to feel a little bit of tractioning and just get that little bounce for me, little bit of rotation, and really focus on opening up. I like the other leg bent. Open up. Let that joint relax. Let the joint relax. We've loaded the joint. Now I want to perform some minor traction, or as people say, decompress. This, in my book, would be true decompression because I'm applying a traction force to the joint. Again, now I can lie on my side and just relax the joint. I like to put a little bit more traction in this position. Again, I'm not trying to pull the darn joint out of the joint. The head of the femur will stay in the acetabulum for those who like anatomy. Just gentle. This does a really great job of relaxing the system. And then I can also focus on my breathing because I want a parasympathetic rest and digest. I want a parasympathetic response post-workout. I find doing that really brings the system down. As a matter of fact, after this, I'm going to sit for 5 to 10 minutes and just breathe. Really important for me. Makes a huge difference in that recovery post-workout. Something I never did when I was younger, and I find eliciting that parasympathetic relaxation response post-workout is just key for my recovery for that central fatigue. Otherwise, I am just toast. All right, be safe, train hard.